So I have given 5 formulas on the base of assumptions and 3 formulas on the base of assumption as well as on Pythagoras theorem. After these and all algebraic formulas which you have learnt in classes 6, 7, 8, 9, we shall proceed in doing the sums. So here starts exercise 8.1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is 24, BC is 7 cm. Determine sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C like this. Question number 1, figure is not given here. ABC is a triangle. Make this way or that way anyway. ABC is a triangle. A, B and C. Right angle at B. It says AB is 24 cm. BC is 7 cm. Determine sin A, cos A. A is here. Angle A. It would be better for your convenience if I write here A and here C. So this angle is given A. Angle A is given. So C is also required, no problem. Take anywhere. So sin of A. As I told you, sine of angle A means here angle A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not known here. Suppose this is H. So you know H square is equal to this square plus this square. 24 square plus 7 square. It is 576. 7 square is 49. Becomes 625. Therefore, square root of this is 25 cm. So it becomes 25 cm. Therefore, sin A, this was calculation. Sin A will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is 24 upon 25. Sin. Next is required cos A. Cos A, it is first. Second of question. First is cos A. It is ratio of base and hypotenuse. Base is 7, hypotenuse is 25. So it is 7 upon 25. And it was in first part. Both. First, this is also A. This is first part B. In second part of 1 is two things, sin C and cos C. Sin C, C is there, is perpendicular will be this, so it is P upon H. P is here 7 upon 25. And cos C or C, base is this, so it is base upon hypotenuse, that is 24 upon 25. So you see, sin C and sin A, cos C and cos A, sin A and cos C are equal, cos A and sin C are equal, means angles are complementary. We shall discuss these things later on. So try to understand the question. The question is very important, but you should remember the given formulas and arguments properly. So let us proceed in the exercise. Question 2 in figure 8.13. Here figure is given. Now in figure, question second. First is over. Question second. In figure 8.13. 8.13 is a figure. Find tan P minus tan R. Here is P, here is Q, Q is 90, R is here. Here written 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. Base is not given. So by Pythagoras theorem, QR means base square will be 13 square minus 12 square. 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144. Their difference comes 169 minus 144 comes 5 and 2 25, so its square root will be 5 centimeters. So by Pythagoras we calculated three sides, means here base square is 13 square minus 12 square. Therefore, base is equal to square root of 169 minus 144, that is root of 25, which comes 5 centimeter. So we have done there. You take it. Now, all the three sides are known. It says tan P minus cot R. Tan of angle P perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular will be this side to R, base will be this adjacent side. So tan P is 5 by 12. And cot of R, in case of cot it is base, this one upon base upon perpendicular. For R, base is this, perpendicular this, again it is 5 by 12. So the result comes 0. In first question I told you that in complementary ratios, one complementary ratio is equal to the other complementary ratio of the other angle. So here this is very easy and try to understand it. For P, perpendicular is this and base is this, but for R, this is perpendicular, this is base. So here cot is given, so base upon perpendicular 5 by 12, here is perpendicular upon 5 by 12, so here it becomes 0. It is question number 2. Figure was given in your book. Question 2. I am doing generally most of the sums here because the chapter is new for you. If sine A is equal to 3 by 4, given here, sine of an angle is 3 upon 4. Calculate cos A and tan A. Cos A and tan A can be done by many methods, but here it is 3 by 4. So you write like it is. Here write better 3 by 4 can be done by formula also. Let perpendicular be 3 units and hypotenuse be 4 units, because sine is ratio of perpendicular by hypotenuse. Therefore, base, which is equal to square root of h square, means 4 square minus 3 square. Here it will come 16 minus 9 comes square root of 7, because 7 is not a non-whole number, whole square number. So here cos A will be cos A cos A. Let us draw the diagram. Here is suppose A, it is B, it is C. I have taken this perpendicular as 3, this as 4. So this perpendicular is 3, perpendicular is 3. So it comes root of 7. This is the case. So cos A will be base upon hypotenuse. So it becomes root 7 upon hypotenuse is 4. And tan A, I am doing here, tan A is required here. Tan A will be perpendicular upon base, that is 3 upon root 7. Though we won't have root in the denominator, but it is, you put it here because simple thing. Simply perpendicular upon base, and it is base upon hypotenuse. Likewise, so this is question number 3 of this exercise. Now try to learn the formulae which I have given you by heart. Then you can understand the trick of the solution of the question which I am doing here. In question 4, it is given that 15 cot A is equal to 8. Then find sin A and sec A. Sin A and sec A. Cot A is given. Divide by 15, cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Let us draw a figure of right angle triangle. A is here, B suppose here right angle, C. This angle is A, it is cot. Cot is base upon perpendicular, because cot. So right here, let base be 8 unit and perpendicular be 15 unit. Therefore hypotenuse, which will be equal to base square plus perpendicular square, which is 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square is 64, 15 square is 225. If both are added, it comes to 89, which is root square root is 17. So it becomes 17 unit. Now you are in position to calculate sin A and sec A. So I am doing here, figure is there. Sin A, which is ratio of perpendicular to hypotenuse, is 15 upon 17, and sec A, sec is ratio of hypotenuse with base, it is 17 upon 8. The chapter is very easy. Simply it is direct application of the formulas. Similarly, in question 5, it is new thing, so you may have some difficulties. Revise the formulas. Once I am taking more here, then here is sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12. We shall write here sec is ratio of hypotenuse with base. Let us draw a figure here. Suppose this angle is theta it is ABC. Better C, take here A here. Sec theta will be, hypotenuse is 30, this is given 12. So let hypotenuse be 13 unit, base be 12 unit, therefore perpendicular, which will be by Pythagoras 13 square minus 12 square, 169 minus 144, 25, its root, and which comes 5. So figure is not on scale, it is 5 unit. And it says calculate all other trigonometric ratios. All other trigonometric ratios means we have to calculate sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, and cosec theta. These 5 things are to be calculated. So I shall calculate. Here figure is given. So I am starting. Just let me rub it. You learn whatever I have said. So I am calculating here sin theta. Sin theta, which is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For theta, perpendicular is 5, hypotenuse is 13. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base is 12 here, hypotenuse is 13. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is 5 and base is 12. Cot theta is, cot theta is base upon perpendicular, so it is 12 by 5. Sec was given, so sec is not here, cosec. Cosec theta is equal to h by p, h is 13 and perpendicular is 5. Thus these 5 ratios, one is given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. This was given and other 5 were to be calculated. So you do in the way I have done. You may ask questions if any. So this exercise is new to you. At the time when questions are asked, you try to draw the figure, and after drawing the figure, here are 11 sums, and after 5th one, 9 has 2 parts, 10 is alone, and 11 has many parts, 2 involves question. So we shall complete this exercise tomorrow, and then we shall take trigonometric ratio of some standard angles. 5 standard angles are for you. 0 degree, here I am writing 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. These 5 standard angles are in your syllabus. Though trigonometric ratio of more angles can be calculated very easily, but up at your standard only these 5 angles and all ratios relating to these 5 angles I shall tell you after finishing this exercise of chapter 8. So we are stopping here, and you try to understand the thing.